guys, just got out of the shower, and I also got 2 packages. Don't mind all the junk here on my table. I'm moving it all out of the way anyways, so I can open a package. 2 packages actually. I could just my hair looks like a bit of a mess. But anyway, 2 of the packages. I just got.
Daisy, stop following me. No, you didn't follow me. I wanted you to follow me.
She's so cute. Anyways, got 2 packages. One here. And one here. It's marked, I think, 16 or 19. Anyways, let's go ahead and open them up. Because I want to show you guys how awesome these are. Hopefully you can see me. Sort of.
Tommy, you gotta put me on YouTube channel. I'm like dabbing.
Alright, stop, don't dab. Watch. Oh, wait, here we go. Gonna open the package. I think I know what this one is. I'm hoping I'm correct. If it came that fast, I'll be honestly, I will be surprised. What is? Okay. Anyways, yes. Stop. Cassie, seriously, quit it. They came.
Vote for me for president.
Cassie, quit it. Oh my gosh! I can't believe it came. Heck yeah! My Naruto little kunai weapons. Hi, Daisy. Hey, wee little one. She's a cute little dog. My sweet Daisy. Anyways, she's my Daisy. my voice went raspy for a minute. It was weird.
Can I talk for you?
No, you cannot. Yes, I got 3 of them. Woo!
No, I said talk.
3 red little kunai weapons. Funny, I thought Ninja Star would come with them.
No, I said talk.
I'll need a flat piece of cardboard. I'll start making target practices. And I'll be awesome.
What is that? Let me see that.
They're fake kunai weapons.
Oh, they should have been real. Be like, so I could throw them at people.
That would have been horrible.
I want to throw them and kill people. Shh. Vote for me for president.
Put it.
Vote for me.
And let's see what this thing is. I have no clue what this one is.
Vote for me, kids.
Oh my gosh, they came. They came. Quick, seriously, put it, Cassie.
Okay.
They came. Oh my gosh. They finally came. Yes.
What are they, you nerd? Lincoln. How do you say it? Lincoln?
They are Big Time Rush.
Oh my gosh.
Big Time Rush, a red one. Woo!
Hey, they spelled it wrong. Never mind. I thought they did.
No, Rush. BTR. Big Time Rush.
Is it why they're so big?
Yeah.
Fun these days. Hey, Sean.
So yeah, these are my 2 packages I got. Hope you guys like them.
Can you do?
2 beach hair bracelets, 3
Hey, Shauna.
kunai weapons, and thank you all for watching. Peace.
Shauna. No, do me.